Good day, everyone. Let's try to answer this kind of coding problem. So first, let's analyze and understand the direction. Create a program that calculates the final ticket price for a festival event based on multiple factors. With the base ticket price float, day of the week integer where 1 is equal to Monday and 7 is equal to Sunday. Attendance age integer and the student status character capital Y for yes and capital N for no. Adjust the base price increase by 20% if the day is Saturday or 6 or Sunday 7. Apply a discount of 50% if the attendee is a child age less than 12. Apply a discount of 30% if the attendee is a senior age greater than or equal 65 years old. Only one of the age-based discount applies. Finally, if the attendee is a student, apply an extra 10% discount on the already adjusted price. Use selection statement to apply these rules in the specified order. Input format, base price, day of week, age, student status. Output format, final ticket price. Price should be displayed with no decimal places, with two decimal places. So now let's proceed to Coding C app. So now we're here to my Coding C app. So first is we need to include stdio.h in int main, and now let's first declare a variable. So let's first declare the float base price and final price, then semicolon. So next is we need to declare int day of week and age, semicolon. So next is we need to declare char student status, semicolon. So float base price, final price. These variables store the base price of the student of the ticket and the final calculated price after applying all the discounts and adjustments. So the end day of week and age. These variables store the day of the week 1 to 7 or Monday to Sunday and the person's age. So the declaration char student status. This variable stores whether the person is a student or if we declare a capital Y for yes and capital N for no. So the next step is we need to input input. So what are what ano una natin ilalagay or input. So first is we need to input the base price. So let's input printf enter base price scanf base price. So the next one is we need to input the day of week. So we need to printf printf enter day of week day of week 1 to 7 or Monday to Sunday. scanf scanf percent d and day of week. So the next one is we need to input the age. Printf enter age the age scanf percent c comma and age as parentheses. So the next one is we need to input the student status. Printf enter student status. I forgot to write in scanf scanf percent c and student status. So before we proceed to the next steps is I will be first explain about what I input first. Base price. The user is asked for the user is asked to enter the base price of the ticket, a floating point number. The user is asked for to enter, so it's a day of week. The user is asked to enter the day of week, an integer between 1 to 7 or Monday to Sunday, where 1 represent to Monday and 1 represent to Sunday. Age. The user is asked to enter their age, an integer or an integer. So as a student status, the user is asked whether they are a student, input a capital Y or capital N or a character. So now let's proceed. So the final price is equal to base price. So this junction is we need to use if. So first is going to use if day of week day of week 1 6 and under day of week is equal to 7. Final price times 1.20. So this junction is a price calculation. So the weekend price adjustment, if the day of week is 6 or 7, the price is increased by 20%. This is done by multiplying the final price by 1.20. So the next one is, so let's go to figure it out. So if age is less than 12, final final price is equal 0.50. Close bracket. So age-based discount. If the person is under 12 years old, they get a 50% discount. Price is multiplied by 0.50, so that why the final price is equal to 0.50. If age is less than 12, so or if age is under 12 years old. So the next one is to use else if age is age is greater than 65 or 65 or equal 65 in bracket parenthesis. The final price is equal to 0.70. 0.70 equals. So age. So sa age, if the person is 65 years old or older, they get a 30% discount. Price is multiplied by 0.70. So that's why as if age greater than or equal 65, the final price is equal to 0.70. So the next one is if student status equal capital Y, open bracket, final price is equal to 0.90. This student discount, if the person is a student, indicate by student status equal capital Y, they get a 10% discount. Price multiplied by 0.90. So this is final. So the next one is we proceed to the final price display. So we need to input printf final ticket price, and then the next is after applying all the relevant adjustment, the final price is printed with two decimal places. So we need to input here return 0, and then the close bracket. And now let's try if this code will run. So much debug error. So I fix it all the errors. So this one is double. This one. So let's try again to run filing. So the base price, the base price, for example, is 100. So 5 days. Enter age is 70. And then Y. So the final ticket price is 63.00. So it represents a two decimal places. So that would be all. Thank you.